everyone, welcome back to my channel. This channel is for people who want to learn easy and natural English. Here we use simple stories from real life. These stories help you improve your listening and speaking skills. Today I want to share a very special story. It is not a big story, it is not a famous story, but it is very close to my heart. Today's topic is my favorite childhood memory. What is a childhood memory? A childhood memory is something we remember from when we were young. It can be a happy moment. It can be a small moment. Sometimes it is just one simple day. Childhood memories are powerful. They stay with us for a long time. Even when we grow up, we remember how we felt as a child. When I think about my childhood, many memories come to my mind. But one memory always makes me smile. That is the memory I want to share with you today. Speaking practice. Pause and repeat. Before I tell the story, let's practice together. Please repeat after me slowly. My childhood was full of memories. Good. Now repeat this sentence. I still remember this moment clearly. Great job. Let's continue. Where this memory happened. This memory is from when I was about 9 or 10 years old. At that time, I lived in a small neighborhood. It was a quiet place. People knew each other very well. The houses were close together. Children played outside every day. Parents talked to neighbors in the evening. Life felt slow and peaceful. We did not have smartphones. We did not have social media. But we had something very special. We had time. My life as a child. As a child, my world was small, but it felt very big to me. My street was my playground. My friends were my whole world. Every day after school, I ran outside. I did not think about tomorrow. I did not worry about problems. I only wanted to play and laugh. That is why this memory is so important to me. A special summer day. The memory happened on a summer day. The weather was warm. The sun was bright. There were no clouds in the sky. School was closed for summer holidays. That made the day even better. I woke up early, full of energy. After breakfast, I ran outside to meet my friends. I felt happy without any reason. Everyone was already there. We were ready for a long day of fun. What we did that day? We played simple games. We played hide and seek. We played tag. We played cricket using a small ball. But we were always happy together. Sometimes we argued. Sometimes we laughed too much. We did not need toys or screens. Our imagination was enough. Every corner of the street became a new adventure. Quick listening. Check. Let me ask you a simple question. Did we play video games all day? Number, we played outside. Good job. You are listening carefully. How I felt in that moment. That day I felt truly happy. Not excited like today's happiness, but calm and deep happiness. I felt free. I felt safe. I felt loved. I did not know it at that time, but those feelings were very special. They are hard to find when we grow up. Speaking practice. Now repeat after me. I felt happy and free. Very good. Now say, I enjoyed simple moments. Excellent. A small but beautiful moment. In the evening, we all sat under a tree. We were tired from playing. We drank water and talked quietly. The sun was slowly going down. The sky changed colors, orange, pink, and gold. At that moment, everything felt perfect. No noise, no stress, only peace. This is the exact moment I remember the most. Going back home. Soon our parents called us home. We did not want to leave, but we knew the day was ending. I went home slowly. My clothes were dirty, my legs were tired, but my heart was full. At home, I ate dinner with my family. Then I went to bed early. That night, I slept very well. Why this memory stays with me? Today, many years later, I still remember that day. I remember how I felt. I remember the sounds. I remember the smiles. This memory stays with me because it was pure. There was no pressure, no competition, no fear. It reminds me of who I was and who I still am inside. What this memory taught me. This childhood memory taught me important lessons. It taught me that happiness can be simple. It taught me that people matter more than things. It also taught me to slow down, to enjoy small moments, to be present. Even today, when life feels difficult, I think about this memory, and I feel calm again. Speaking practice. Repeat with me one more time. Small moments can make us happy. Good. Now say, memories help us feel strong. Great work. Message for you. You also have childhood memories. Some may be happy, some may be emotional, some may be funny. I want you to think about one good memory today. Close your eyes for a moment. Remember how you felt. These memories are part of you. They give you strength. They give you comfort. Today I shared my favorite childhood memory with you. Thank you for listening carefully. I hope this story helped you practice English, and I hope it made you feel warm inside. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Subscribe to the channel for more simple English stories. And write in the comments, my favorite childhood memory is. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video.